Welcome to the Guide to Fidelity Investment Account, where we will walk you through the process of creating and managing your investment portfolio. Fidelity is one of the largest and most reputable investment companies in the world, offering a wide range of investment products and services. To get started, you need to open a Fidelity investment account, which can be done online or by phone. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. Next, you need to choose the type of investment account that best suits your needs. Fidelity offers a variety of accounts, including brokerage accounts, IRA accounts, and 401k accounts. Each type of account has its own set of rules and benefits, so it is essential to understand the differences before making a decision. After opening and funding your account, you can start investing in a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Fidelity offers a vast selection of investment products, including its own mutual funds and index funds, as well as products from other companies. To make informed investment decisions, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance. You should also educate yourself on the different types of investments and their potential risks and rewards. Fidelity provides a wide range of educational resources, including articles, webinars, and online courses, to help you get started. In addition to investing, Fidelity also offers a range of tools and services to help you manage your portfolio. These include research and analysis tools, portfolio tracking, and tax planning resources. You can also set up a dividend reinvestment plan, which allows you to automatically reinvest your dividends into your portfolio. Best practices for managing your Fidelity investment account include regularly reviewing your portfolio, rebalancing your investments as needed, and staying informed about market trends and economic conditions. It is also essential to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent fraud. In conclusion, opening and managing a Fidelity investment account is a straightforward process that can be done online or by phone. By understanding the different types of investment accounts and products, educating yourself on investing, and using the tools and services provided by Fidelity, you can create and manage a successful investment portfolio that helps you achieve your financial goals.